Hi. Now we'll go a bit more in detail about the lavana rasa. And is it necessary? Yes, we have to live till 80 years minimum so that we can do many good things on this earth. So definitely we should cut down on our salt intake, and for a person to follow something, it should affect his deepest of deepest conviction, that is Shraddha. So unless a person has a clear concept as to why he has to change himself, he isn't going to change anything for that matter. No matter what, how many videos he listens to, or no matter whatever he reads, he isn't going to change, because that conviction is strong. Somebody has to pierce into that conviction. So for that, we are here to make a better understanding of the topic, so that that conviction is shaken a bit, and then everything falls in place like rightly. So if the conviction is bad, if the conviction is good, no problem, go ahead with that. And today about the salt. And so where is the site of action of salt? As per Ayurveda, any salt, it acts at cellular level. In the sense, it is sukshma, it is tiny, like the tiniest particle in the human body is a cell, or still deeper into that, this lavana rasa goes and acts over there. What does it do? It brings out the fluid, the moisture, all the liquid portion, everything, it brings it out of the cell. From interior of the cell to the exterior, it brings it out, and from the exterior, it helps in the expulsion of these waste from the body. So that is the function of lavana rasa. And it is Vata Shamana, and at the same time Pagi, that is it enhances digestion, because it acts on the enzymes of digestive system, and so easy digestion is carried out. That is the function of lavana rasa. And but at the same time it aggravates Pitta and Kabha in the body. This is a very important point. We'll just go through the verse. What is the verse? Vishyanti lavanam sarvam sukshmam srishtamalam mridu vadaknam paki, then tishnoshnam rojanam kapha pitta krit. That is, it enhances kapha and pitta in the body and subsides vada. So this is the normal nature of lavana rasa. Its normal nature is to enhance pitta and kapha. And so what if my pitta and kapha is enhanced in the body? Pitta has got lots to do with the rakta. Any vitiation, any change in the Pitta Dhatu is reflected in the Rakta Dhatu, that is in the blood. We get to see all the unwanted substance in the blood, and that means we can get the blood test positive, let it be for anything. In this case, it is with regards to sodium. That is, excess sodium can be caught in the blood. So that means we should try to keep Pitta under control for having correct Rakta Dhatu. So what we were telling? Yeah, then Kabha Shamana. This is, normally it is Kabha Vardhana. That is, it draws all the fluid, we said. That means in the body there is excess fluid, it leads to obesity. So by the very nature, lavana rasa is Pitta and Kabha Vardhana. Why I am stressing on this point again and again is that we should understand that even 1 gram excess salt is going to damage the body, and that means even 1 gram less salt is going to benefit the body, because the borderline is, or the margin or the boundary is like the range is margin is very little, we can put it that way. That is already lavana rasa. But why should we take lavana rasa? It is very essential for the proper digestion and the proper functioning of the gastrointestinal system. For that we need lavana rasa, of course, but in moderation. So, and now coming to the importance of Saindhava lavana and over Samudra lavana. Saindhava is the rock salt, and it is a superior salt. It has to be consumed on a regular basis. And Samudra is a salt that is obtained from Samudra, that is sea. It is obtained by evaporating sea water, and both these salts contain sodium chloride. But why one salt is superior to the other? For that we have to elaborate this concept a bit. That is, for Saindhava lavana, it is said Saindhavam tatrasa swadha. That is, it has a slight sweet taste also, in addition to the salt taste, and it helps in controlling vada. Saindhavam tatrasa swada. Then Vrishyam Hrityam Tridoshanut. It subsides, it alleviates all the three doshas in the body. Vadam Pitta. Generally, Lavana Rasa vitiates Pitta and Kapha, but this Saindhava it has that property to alleviate all the three doshas in the body. Saindhavam Tatrasa Swada Patyam. Saindhavam Tatrasa Swada Vrishyam Hridyam Tridoshanut Legu Anushnam Drishaha Patyam Avidahi Agni Deepanam. Avidahi, it doesn't cause vidaha or a burning sensation in the body. That is, it isn't aggravating Pitta. So that is the importance of Saindhava Rasa. And next Patyam, that means it has to be taken daily. And one can undoubtedly use Saindhava Rasa regularly, and it's not going to harm the body. It has the benefits of Lavana Rasa, but it doesn't have that harmful effects of Lavana Rasa as well. That is, it isn't Pitta and Kapha Vardhana. Next one is Samudra Lavana. It is said, Vipake Swadu Samudram. Post-digestion effect of this rasa is Swadu. It alleviates Vada, of course. But it is said it is Guru, heavy, and Sleshma Vardhanam. Clear indication that Samudra Lavana is going to enhance Kapha in the body. So even a slight excess of that is going to harm the body. That is the clear thing. But at the same time, even the daily use of that salt is going to increase Kapha in the body. So it is better if we shift it from Samudra Lavana to Saindhava Lavana. And of course, nowadays we are getting iodized salt. It is beneficial. Iodine, we need iodine. So make sure we balance both these. And I think with Saindhava Rasa, one cannot fall short of iodine also. But to be on the safer side, consume little table salt. But always salt, not at the time of food consumption, but when things start to boil in a vessel, it's a time to add salt. So in the next video, we'll see what happens exactly when this Lavana Rasa is enhanced in the body, and then about hypertension. Thank you.